Lata Mangeshkar passes away. Lata Mangeshkar's death has left India mourning. The veteran singer was being treated for COVID-19 and pneumonia symptom for over a month. The who's who of the Indian film industry, politics and sports took to Twitter to offer their condolences. Acclaimed singer Lata Mangeshkar breathed her last at Breach Candy Hospital, Mumbai on Sunday. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they all expressed their condolences. She was 92-year-old. The singer, called the Nightingale of India, was admitted to the hospital in January with COVID-19 and pneumonia. She was the daughter of Pandit Dinanath Mangeshkar and Sivanti Mangeshkar. Lata belonged to a musical family. Her father was a well-known Marathi musician and theatre artist. She was first tutored by her father and later appeared as a child artist in several of his plays. Lata Mangeshkar recorded her first Hindi song called Mata Ek Sapoot Ki Duniya Badal De Tu for the Marathi feature Gaga Bhau, which had released in 1943. Later she went to collaborate with some of the most popular names of the Hindi music industry, including the likes of Anil Biswas, Shankar Jackison, Nausad Ali, and S.D. Burman, among others. She has lent her voice to songs in Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, and other regional languages. She has been honored with Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, and Padma Bhushan, as well as several national and Filmfare awards. She has lent her voice more than 30,000 songs. She has passed away and she is no more among us. I also express my condolences towards the demise of Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar and pay tribute in her memory. Thank you. Jai Hind.